Open the Google Slides app. You will be sent to the search dashboard. Here you can search for all your slides. The presentations shown are the ones that you recently opened. Tap on the menu icon to see starred, the presentations you find most important. On device, all the presentations you saved onto your device, and a link to your Google Drive. On the right, you will find the grid view and list view icons. Next to that is another My Drive button if viewing folders is easier for you to use to find presentations. At the bottom right, tap on the plus icon to create a new presentation. Add a new name for your presentation and then tap on Create. Double tap on the text box to add text. When you are in the text box, you will find the buttons for bold, italic, underline, undo, redo, and play presentation on the top right. The A icon gives you more formatting options. You can add slides by tapping on the slide plus icon and then choose the type of slide. To share, tap on this icon, type in names or email addresses of the people you would like to share the presentation with. Then choose the sharing options and then tap on Share. You can also choose the link visibility, copy link to clipboard, or send a copy. The settings icon allows you to show or hide speaker notes, see details, share and export, and the options to keep the presentation on the device and star the file.
Well, we're going to start this tutorial by having you rename your document to your last name and then the word drawing. Then I want to show you some interesting things. Now there's the basic shapes, text boxes, bringing in an image. You've seen all this kind of stuff before. I'm not going to spend time on that. What I do want to show you are a couple really cool features. For instance, let's say we were going to make a title and we wanted to start with an image that went across the top. I went and found this image, this orangish image, and here's what's really cool about Google Drawing. If I click and drag this image and carry it up to my tab where my images were, I can drop it, and then I don't have to copy and paste or anything like that. Now I'm going to stretch this out so that it is the width of the page, and I'm going to slide it up some. I want it about there. Now I'm going to go get, say, a turkey, and I went and found one already. Same situation, just click on the object I want to copy and hover over my document and let go, and the creature is created. I might have to resize it, depends on what it is. We're not done yet. Okay, so there's the beginning of my of the heading for this page. The next thing I want to do is I want to show you a really cool text website. It's called cooltext.com, Now for what we're doing, we can't use any of the animated or the ones that have a dark background because that part won't work. But we can pick a font that looks interesting to us, and we can modify it so it doesn't have to look exactly like this. For instance, if you like this font but you don't like the pink color, why, you can end up changing that. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. And it brings up a page. Oh, it's really a purple color, isn't it? So I think I want to change that to, let's see, it's Thanksgiving, so I want to go into the oranges. And I'm going to make it a really pretty orange. And then I'm going to make the highlight orange, or the highlight almost a yellow. And I can change the shadow. That choice is heavy blur, light blur, so on. And what color do I want the shadow to be? Well, I could make it a red shadow. And you see how it changes up here as I make changes? And I'm going to leave the other stuff pretty much alone. Now I need to write something. So I'm going to write Happy Turkey Day. And you'll see that the image will appear up here. Now you have a couple options. Sometimes it doesn't show up right away and you can click Create Logo. Since it did show up, I've got what I need. Now with this, I can press my mouse button, drag it up, bring it over here, drop it. I might have to resize. We'll see what it comes out as. Oh, it's almost perfect, isn't it? And I now have a nice heading for any document that I want to make. That's all there is to it. Now you go and do it.